digital age, parenting and family dynamics come with new challenges. At B2B, our couple and family workshops help you navigate these complexities with confidence. Our Parenting in the Digital Age workshops are designed to help you understand how to raise children and teens in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world. Learn how to manage technology use, build healthy communication, and guide your children through the complexities of social media. At B2B, we provide the tools to help you guide your children safely and confidently through the digital world. Our Building Stronger Family Connections. Sessions focus on fostering healthy family dynamics. Learn how to improve communication, resolve conflicts constructively, and create a supportive environment where each family member feels heard and valued. Strengthen the bond with your family, improve communication, and resolve conflicts in a way that fosters trust and mutual respect. With Be2Be's couple and family workshops, you'll gain practical skills to navigate modern parenting and build deeper, stronger connections with your loved ones. Ready to strengthen your family connections and tackle the challenges of parenting in the digital age? Join Be2Be's couple and family workshops today and create a thriving, connected family. Contact us to get started.